Hey, Emma, have you heard about the new documentary on climate change?
Hey, Liam. Yeah, I watched it last night. It was eye-opening. The way they showed the impact on polar bears was heart-wrenching. Have you seen it?
I did. It's crazy how much the ice is melting. Did you know that polar bears are actually excellent swimmers?
Yeah, but they're having to swim longer distances because of the melting ice, which is so sad. What did you think about the part on deforestation?
That was shocking too. The rate at which we're losing forests is alarming. Did you know that rainforests produce 20% of the world's oxygen?
Wow, that's amazing and terrifying at the same time. No wonder they call them the lungs of the earth. What do you think we can do to help?
We can start by reducing our paper use and supporting sustainable products. And planting trees. Here's a joke for you. Why do trees seem suspicious on sunny days?
Haha, I have no idea. Why?
Because they're always a bit shady.
Good one, Liam. But seriously, small actions can make a big difference. I've started using reusable bags and bottles. What about you?
Same here. I've also been trying to cut down on meat. Did you know that the meat industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gases?
Yes, I read about that. Going vegetarian even just a few days a week can make a big impact. Have you tried any new vegetarian recipes?
I've been experimenting with veggie burgers. They're surprisingly good. Have you tried any?
Yes, I love making stir-fried veggies with tofu. It's delicious and healthy. Speaking of food, did you know that food waste is a huge issue too?
Absolutely. It's crazy how much food gets thrown away. Composting can help reduce waste. Do you compost?
I've started recently. It's great for the garden and reduces landfill waste. Do you garden?
Yeah, I grow a few herbs and vegetables. It's rewarding and eco-friendly. Plus, fresh herbs make meals taste so much better.
Definitely. I've been growing tomatoes and basil. It feels great to eat something you've grown yourself. Do you use any eco-friendly products at home?
Yes, I've switched to biodegradable cleaning products and bamboo toothbrushes. Little changes can add up. What about you?
I've been using reusable beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. They're fantastic! Do you think the younger generation is more aware of environmental issues?
Absolutely. We're more informed and concerned about the future of our planet. Social media has helped spread awareness. Do you follow any eco-friendly influencers?
Yes, I follow a few zero-waste bloggers. They have great tips on reducing waste. Do you think schools should teach more about environmental issues?
Definitely. Education is key to making lasting changes. Starting early can instill good habits. Did you have any environmental education in school?
Not much. Mostly just basics in science class. I think a dedicated course would be great. Here's another joke for you. Why was the recycling bin so optimistic?
Haha, why?
Because it was full of cans.
Nice one, Emma. What do you think about renewable energy?
It's the future. Solar, wind, and hydropower can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Have you looked into solar panels for your home?
Yes, I'm considering it. The initial cost is high, but the long-term benefits are worth it. What about you?
I'd love to install them someday. I'm also interested in electric cars. They're becoming more affordable and have zero emissions. What do you think?
I think they're great. Reducing dependence on fossil fuels is crucial. Plus, they're getting better in terms of range and charging time. Have you ever driven one?
Not yet, but I'd love to. Maybe for my next car. Do you think governments are doing enough to tackle environmental issues?
I think some are trying, but there's still a lot to be done. Policies need to be stricter and more focused on sustainability. What do you think?
Agree. There's definitely more awareness now, but we need faster action. It's a global issue that requires global cooperation. Do you participate in any environmental groups or activities?
Yes, I'm part of a local cleanup group. We organize events to clean parks and beaches. It's a great way to contribute and meet like-minded people. Do you?
Yes, I volunteer at a community garden. It's a fantastic way to promote sustainable living and get involved in the community. What's your favorite part about being eco-friendly?
Knowing that I'm making a positive impact, no matter how small. It's also great to connect with others who share the same passion. How about you?
Same here. It feels good to contribute to a better future. And it's fun finding new ways to be sustainable. Here's to making the world a greener place.
Cheers to that, Emma. Let's keep spreading the word and making a difference, one step at a time.
Absolutely, Liam. Talk soon and keep up the great work.
You too, Emma. Take care.